Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. This video is going to be a little bit different, very different, 100% different than all of my other videos because this one is not me talking as I'm recording. As you can see in this video, it's just a bunch of pictures and a few time lapses of the motor coming together. This is going to pretty much be the last video of this build, and I'm sorry that I didn't have enough clips to really, show you guys like how it came together, like this one you're seeing right now with the clutch and the assembly, like that going together. I know some of you guys want to see that and be able to really have an understanding of what I did hands-on and stuff like that, and I did want to do that, but I'm going to be 100% honest, it's not easy. I don't have, I don't have enough hands to be able to do what I'm doing with the motor, record, and then like make sure that the video is actually good video and you're not watching my back while I assemble something. So I figured the best bet would be to just take a bunch of pictures as I was doing it in a few time lapses and be able to tell a story with my pictures and then literally tell the story with the recorded audio. So right now I have it's the VN editor. You could download it. It's a free editor. If you guys like this, if you guys think that this is cool or want to know how I did it, it's pretty simple. You go into the VN editor, and once you upload your clips, when it goes to like media or music, you click that. It'll give you the option to record or upload a recording, and this is allowing me to literally talk right over. It's amazing. It's literally amazing. It saves the trouble of all the mishaps and struggles you go through verbally trying to talk and do things. Now I can just watch myself work and talk. So what I want to say is huge shout out to all of my subscribers. I'm almost at 500, or I mean, when this video is posted, I might be at, I'll be at 500 when this video is posted. Huge shout out to you guys. Honestly, 500 to me is a big number. I have like friends that, they have thousands, that's just that. They have a whole different niche, a whole line that they like to do, whatever. I am stoked at 500. That's 500 individual people that subscribe to my channel. They might not watch every single video and like and comment on every single video, but 500 people support my channel. And that to me is huge. It is huge. It's like I have 500 friends that I haven't met yet. Sounds kind of creepy, but no, it's like I have 500 friends. You guys are out there, you guys give me feedback, and that's what I've been liking a lot more, the engagement. I know that is on my part too. For all of those who have commented on videos and didn't get a message back, check now, and you should have got a message or even just a thumbs up when you comment or a reply. I tried to reply to all of them. There was like 60 messages. I don't even know where they came from. Some were like a year ago, and it was insane. So I'm like sitting there answering message after message after message after message, and I think I got back to everyone. So I'm gonna try to stay on top of that. But yeah, back to this build. This build, as you guys know, was my baby. I bought this bike for $1,300, and I am like $6,000 into this bike. I am not getting rid of this bike. This bike had to get rebuilt. This bike had to work. It had to run. All right, that was it. There was no ifs, ands, or buts. This bike had to work. I was putting in money that I didn't even have. I don't know where it came from. It's magic. To any of you guys that are out there that build bikes by yourself, I'm not talking about sending it to the shop and having it done, that build bikes by yourself, if you can let me know where this money comes from so that I can maybe work out a deal with whatever. I don't know how it happens, but I swear I'll start off and be like, I only have a $500 budget, and then bam, next thing you know, you're like, $3,000. What? $3,000, 500? Yeah, I'm way over budget. I can't sell this bike. It's a keeper, which means now I gotta put like 10 grand into it. But like getting back to the point, this bike was my baby. I rebuilt her the first time, and I didn't crack into the bottom end. I just replaced the valves and did the rings, as you guys seen in my other video. If you guys haven't seen, go check that out. That's when I first got this bike, and I did my first build on it, which was replacing a valve and replacing the rings. And then I went along and did the wheels and all that after. I rode it around. I was beating on the bike. I was not really paying attention. I was just too excited. It was the summer. I didn't want to miss out on any ride outs. And I was being an idiot. And I blew the bike up. You know, it could have been prevented, but in a sense, I'm kind of happy it did. Maybe not where it did, because it blew up in the middle of the highway and I was stranded and almost got hit by a car because we were all doing like 70. But now she's back together and she's 100%. You guys aren't really up to date, like I explained in the other video. This bike has already been done. I've already been riding this bike. I have a shit ton of content for you guys. I'm just trying to get everything all in order. Now it's the new year. I'm starting to really work hard to get where I want to be this year with me and my family and my friends, and just, you know, financially, mentally, emotionally. I'm trying to get to where I need to be. I don't know where that is, but I'm pushing. You know, I came from a pretty dark past and I'm doing so much better now. And having you guys here means the world to me. And being able to speak to you guys and to inspire you guys and to motivate you guys, it means the world to me. And yeah, I got a new camera setup. I got a mic setup. I'm going to start motovlogging. I'm going to be traveling around this year. Mark my words, I'm going to be traveling with my bike, with a buddy, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, who knows. But we're going to be traveling and motovlogging and getting good shots and creating movies with our content. I don't want it to be just bikes. It is what it's going to be primarily, though, I believe. Who knows what the future holds. But I want to create like movies. I want you guys to see what I see. I want you guys to feel what I feel. Like, you guys are gonna see first person with my new camera setup and everything. The content is insane, and I can't get enough of this bike. And the fact that now you guys can just click and see what I see when I'm out on the road and stuff, all the ups, all the downs, like, it's insane. You guys are in for a treat. The video quality is crisp. The audio is crisp. Wait till you guys are up to date with the moto vlogs and everything that's going to be coming. I'm just getting everything set up. That's all I'm doing. I'm just getting everything set up. You guys are still following the same thing that's going on. Nothing new. And if there is, you will see it. But just keep watching and you guys will see what I mean. It's going to transition from this bubbly, you know, I had the fisheye lens and stuff like that. No more fisheye in the future. No more fisheye in the future. None of that. It's quality, and I'm putting my all into it. So stay tuned. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, scroll through these videos and let me know what you guys think, and maybe subscribe. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love all of you guys.